Hello everyone, how are you today? Wow, good, mashallah, you are looking so fresh today. So how's your day? Good, very nice. So grade 5 student, I welcome you again in our science class. So kindly remind me the name of our science chapter. It's a plant. Algae, yes. In this chapter, we gain a lot of different and interesting information about this plant algae. So yesterday our task was give short answers, so I am moving on our today's task. So today's task is very interesting again, and as well give scientific reasons. So now we have to give the scientific reason of the given questions. In this section we again have 4 questions, and we have to give the detailed answers with scientific reasons. So grade 5 students, are you ready for today's task? Okay, that's great. So our first question is, how are algae changed into crude oil? How are algae changed into crude oil? So now we have to give the detailed answer and with the scientific reason. So listen me carefully. This process begins with a slurry of algae and water. The slurry is filled into a reactor which exposes it to high levels of heat reaching up to 350 degrees Celsius and pressure up to 3000 pounds per square inch, a unit of pressure. These parameters are used in order to simulate conditions of being beneath the Earth's surface for millions of years. Less than an hour later, the algae have been completely changed into a dark mixture of crude oil. So this is the scientific and detailed answer of our first question, and the question is, how are algae changed into crude oil? Now I am moving on the next question. Why are algae helpful in reducing pollution? So grade 5 student, in this section we have to give the detailed answers with scientific reasons. So why are algae helpful in reducing pollution? So I'm going to tell you about the answer. Algae is helpful in reducing pollution because algae can purify wastewaters. Algae thrive in nutrient-rich waters like municipal wastewater, sewage, animal waste, and some industrial effluents. At the same time, purifying these wastes while producing a biomass suitable for biofuels production. Okay, so this is the detailed answer and this scientific reason. Now, we are moving on the next question. Algae do not need clean water. Why? So we have to give the answers with logical scientific reasons. Algae create 87% oxygen again I am going to repeat the answer. Algae do not need clean water to grow because these aquatic plants can grow quickly in nutrient-rich waters like sewage water. So our question is, algae do not need clean water. Why? The answer is, algae do not need clean water to grow because these aquatic plants can grow quickly in nutrient-rich waters like sewage water. Now I am moving on the next question, and it's our last question. If 80% of oxygen on planet Earth is created by algae, then how the rest is created? So what is the answer of this question? Scientific reasons. So answer is here. Algae create 87% oxygen on planet Earth, and rainforests create major part of rest oxygen, while only 2% oxygen comes from other sources. So grade 5 student, this is our today's class, and now I'm going to tell you about your home assignment. So I hope that you are enjoying this lesson. And now your home assignment is same, that you have to write all these 4 questions in your homework copies, and then you have to watch and listen this video 2 to 3 times, and then you have to write all the answers, and you have to give the scientific reasons of these questions, and then you have to submit this homework to your grade 5 science teachers. Now take care. Allah Hafiz.